freedom struggle. That lesson we are learning now, children. In that, in the last class, we learned about the freedom movement. In the freedom movement, how the nationalism started, what factors influenced to grow the nationalism. That one we learned, children. Many causes were there. All that one we learned. Today, we are learning about the political parties. In India, there were no political parties. Only British were ruling and some Indian were participating in the government work or in the legislature. Like that it was there. But actually, the Indian political party started when Indian National Congress established. Indian National Congress established in the year 1885. 1885, children. It is established by the Allen Octavian. His name Allen Octavian. He worked under British only, children. He is a retired British civil servant. Allen Octavian. He established the Indian National Congress Party, and it is the first political forum in India. First political party in India. He started the National Congress Party with the 72 members. In the beginning, there were 72 members in the National Congress Party. Some are lawyers, journalists, and some are upper class people. Taking all of them, he started the political party, that is Indian National Congress. And Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of the Indian National Congress Party. Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Founder is Allen Octavian. Followed? Yes. What are the objectives of the Indian National Congress Party? With what aim they started this political forum means? First thing is to bring together and build a strong bonding between the political activities of the different parts of the nation. Bringing together, building a strong bonding means, see children, 1857 revolt failed because of improper organization. Political party activities are not organized, means controlling them is not possible. The strongness will be not there. So it should be together. Some binding should be there overall in the country. So first what they aim, whatever failure is there in the 1857, from that failure many lessons Indians learned. Main thing, nationalism developed among the Indians. So what lesson they learned? All the political activities should be together. They bonded together. Then only they are in one part they are revolting in a different way. This one agitation and all they are making in different parts of the country means that strongness will be not there. So to make it strong, there should be a binding. That was the first aim of the Indian National Congress Party. Then to establish the national unity. All should unite. There should not be any difference of opinion in the Indians' mind. So they want to develop the nationalism among the Indians. That is second motto. Third one is to formulate the public opinion by placing the demands of the people before the government. What Indians want? What are the demands of the Indian? They want to place, by collecting the public opinion, they want to keep their demands in front of the government. When they are participating in the government, then only they can do this work. When they can participate in the government, when they are having political party, when they are contesting the election, then only they can participate in the administration. No? Yes. Next one, to generate the nationalism in the place of provincialism. Instead of fighting for our region, our kingdom, our area, we should fight for our nation. That nationalism should be there. That one they want to build. Yes, these are the 4 objectives or aims of the Indian National Congress Party. With that, they started the political party, children. But afterwards, some changes taken place in the National Congress Party. That is, age of moderates it is called. I will explain that now. Okay. Yes. of moderate children. When the Congress party starts, no, the beginning members of the Congress party are called moderates. Why they are called moderates? I will explain that one. The age of moderates is from 1885 to 1905. From the beginning means when it is established, no, from that year to 1905. Because in the 1905 the National Congress party was split into moderates and radicals. So up to 1905 only moderate age is there. Now, who are these moderates? The leaders who led the Indian National Congress in the beginning are called moderates. Beginning leaders, beginning members who were there in the National Congress party, no, they are called moderates. Sorry, moderates. In that, important moderates are Dadabhai Nauroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Mahadev Govind Rande. These are the important moderates. Why they are called moderates? Means they are not adopting any cruel methods. They are soft, with the smooth way they want to persuade the British to fulfill the demands of the Indians. What way they are following? That is, see children, being loyal to the British government. They were not against the British. They are good with the British. Then, being good with the British, being loyal to the British, by the method of praying, pleading, agitation, they want to persuade the British to give the social, political and economic reformation in India. That was their method. They were not against the British. They are loyal to the British. They are honest to the British government. But the way of what they are demanding, social, economic, political justice they want for Indians. That one, how they are asking the British government means by praying, by appealing, then by pleading, then agitation, some satyagraha and all doing without any cruelty or violence. They are asking the British government because they are having faith in the constitution, in the British. So in this manner they are asking the British government to fulfill their demands. Yes, but how far they succeeded? By understanding their importance only we come to know this one, children. So what are the importance? By pleading or praying or by agitation, did they got any goals? Yes, they got some goals, children. What are those? That is, first thing is Indians were able to enter in the legislative assembly. Just as that, if you want to enter in the political matter, if you want to participate in the government means there should be some political party. Indian National Congress Party came into existence because of this reason only Indian got the chance to participate in the government. Only political parties will contest in election, children. When you are contesting the election, you are able to participate in the government. Because of Indian National Congress Party only, Indians got the chance to participate in the British government or in the legislative assembly. That is the first importance of the moderates. Second thing, the truth that British were the main reason for the pathetic condition of Indian came to the light. Because of moderates only, Indians came to know that whatever our poor condition is there, critical condition is there, what are the sufferings of Indians are there, this is all because of the British policies. That awareness came to the Indians. Next, third one, Indian created the national perspective for anti-British protest. So, by getting all the awareness about the British policies, Indians got some planning, some ideas against the British, how to take our right, how to improve our conditions, all that one, the Indians started getting the idea or plan against the British. Yes, these are the things because of moderates, because of Indian National Congress Party, what Indians gained. This you can say this is the importance of the moderates. Because of moderates only, beginning leaders or beginning members of the National Congress Party only the moderates. Leaders' names I read out. Followed no, children. Yes, number of demands these moderates were having. Number of modern demands they are having to keep in front of the British. Yes, that one I will explain to them. First demand was freedom of speech and publication. See children, freedom of speech. Whatever our opinion is there, we are having freedom to express that one, to tell that one. Means we are comfortable, we are free. Otherwise it is called exploitation only. We are having somewhat, it is troubling us, we are not having freedom to tell this, means it is exploitation only. So freedom of speech should be there. That is most important for the comfortable life. That one moderate demanded, first demand only it is. Then publication. See, newspaper is there, periodicals are there, means anything about the society they can write. It will publish. People will come to know that one. People get the awareness. So the publication should be there. That right they demanded to the British government. Second one, separation of judiciary from the executive. Judiciary means all the courts, it should work independently and impartially. Then only it is justice. If judiciary or court belongs to any government or any association, means it cannot give the judgment, it cannot give justice to the any society. It will work in favor of that association or that government only. So always it should be independent. That was the second demand of the moderates. The third one, reduction in the military expenses. You know that one, British were maintaining very huge army. Huge army means very big expense. That one they are putting on the Indian things. That also we learned, subsidiary alliance children. Indian king has to maintain the British army in his kingdom. He has to go all the expenses of army as well as war expenses. So that was the burden on the Indian economy only. So the moderate asked the British to reduce the military expenses. The fourth one, installation of primary, secondary and technical education. Now already Indians got that education is the main source by which people get the awareness. Society can be improved. All this awareness in the minds of Indians. So they insisted the British government that you provide the primary and secondary education and technical education also. Technical courses will be there, children. By getting a technical courses or technical education, man will be ready to do his own business. He will get some technical awareness, technical education he will get. That also most important in the society. So they insisted technical education also. Next one, cancellation of Ban on Weapons Act. They made one act, children, Ban on Weapon Act. That means if any Indian want to keep the weapons, means priorly they had to take the permission of the British government. But in that time it was not suitable, children. That time always there is a insecurity of life. There may be an attack of any neighboring kingdom. Anyone can attack. There is no security for the life. So keeping weapon was essential in that time. In that time they made Ban on Weapons Act. So as it is not suitable for the society, moderate demanded the British government to cancel it. Followed. Next one, provision of banking, irrigation, medical and health facilities. See, these all facilities are essential for the comfortable life, for the healthy life. Banking, finance. See, whenever you are in a need of finance, we can take the money from the, as a loan, we can take the money from the bank. Whenever you are having excess money, you can keep in a deposit as a bank and we can earn more. This is the facility. We needed it. Then irrigation. In olden time, agriculture was the main job. Irrigation facility was very essential, children, because rain is uncertain. So irrigation facility also they demanded to build the canals and provide irrigation facility to the farmers. Then medical facility and health facility. Number of poor citizens were there in India. Almost all farmers and all are suffering. In case any health issue started or medical treatment or anything they needed means they are not having any finance. How to maintain that one? So moderates demanded the British government to you only provide the medical and health facilities. Now government is providing no children in the government hospital. According to their job and all, they are giving the free treatment. Operations and all, everything will be free. ESI, employees state insurance, in that they are getting all the health facilities, medical facilities. That one in olden time only moderate asked to the British government. Next one is complete cancellation of tax on salt. British government put the tax on the salt. See children, our oceans, in that freely available salt it is. In that British started putting tax. It is very unfair. So they demanded cancel that tax, salt tax. Then because of that only Gandhiji started the Dandi March. Followed from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi Shishore, he started the march to cancel the tax on salt. Conducting ICS examinations simultaneously in England and India. See, in olden time, British what they used to do? They used to conduct the ICS exam. That is Indian Civil Service exam. That when they used to conduct in England. Any Indian want to write that exam means they have to go to England. Very expensive it is, children, and time consuming also. So moderates demanded that exam you conduct simultaneously. When you are conducting in England, no, at the same time you conduct in the same time in India also. Then Indians will be able to write the exam. Yes. Next one, creating representations for Indians in the central and provincial legislative assemblies. Moderates demanded that even in the central government as well as in the provincial, in the state government is there not like that. Anywhere provincial assemblies are there means in both the sides you have to create the representatives, Indian representatives. In that government there should be some of the people should be Indian ministers, Indian representatives. That is also one of the demand of the moderates. Next, appointing Indians to the higher post. Most required one it is. Because all higher posts were covered by the British. Lower category work was done by the Indians. They are given English education to the Indians, but they are taking them for job only at the lower cadre. And they are paying very less salary for the Indians. That was the inferiority was there among the Indians, that they are working at the low level. Because of this reason, they made that they have to take the Indians to the higher post. These were the demands of the moderates. Yes, homework for today, children. Who established Indian National Congress? Write the objectives of Indian National Congress. 4 points are there to write it. Who are moderates? Definition you have to write. Name some important moderates. Important moderates are names you have to write here. Mention the demands of moderates. Nearly 10 are there. You write all them one by one. Okay? Yes, enough for today, children. Radicals I will take in the next class. Thank you.